So for today's video, you are going to be with me and we are going to clean our refrigerator. What are we waiting for? Let's go! First, unplug the wire. Look how dirty our refrigerator, guys. That's why we really have to clean it. So let's start with removing all the shelves, all the food compartments, the glass compartments before we clean our refrigerator. This time we are going to dissolve a detergent into the water to make a soap mixture. Then after that, let us start rinsing and soaping our compartments and the food shelves of our refrigerator. I am just using a sponge, and in that sponge there is that hard part up above where you can use it to scrub and clean all the grease and the dirt of your compartments. Never ever use a sharp tool to brush your compartments because it might cause a scratch. Soaping, you can now rinse your compartments with a clean and flowing water to remove the soap. And then of course, after rinsing, you can leave it and let it dry. And now we are back to the body of our refrigerator. Let us clean it with soap from top to bottom. After soaping the entire body of the refrigerator, let us rinse it with clean white cloth. I am just rinsing the white cloth with clean water so that I can remove all the soaps. After rinsing and after drying the entire parts of the refrigerator, let us assemble all the compartments inside our refrigerator. So be careful, guys, of putting it inside because you might break it, especially to the glass compartments. There you have it, guys. We are already done with the refrigerator cleaning.
Wow!
As you can see, it's still wet, so let's just pat that dry. And then after that, we are going to plug it in. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ajus Marian Donka. Goodbye!